Have you always wanted to have a binary option robot trading pocket option? Well, I have one for you, and it trades completely automatically. Just use the link that you find below the video and you can have it completely for free. I will now show you in this video how it works, and also on screen will tell you which strategy I chose, the timeline and profit target, so you can easily copy what I am doing. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose an update video just like this one. But now, let's start up the robot and let's see how we do.
Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots that they wanna just walk, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. We're ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend of this.
And there, once again, we reached our target. You can see we got a 75% win rate. I'm super happy with that. So, as you can see, we can trade on 5 seconds, even on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So with that, if you want this spot also, you find link below the video, so you also can get started today completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.